Hello friends, welcome to the Ursus Technical Campus. In previous lecture, we have started the effect of open loop transfer function on steady state error and constant, because we have seen that steady state error depends on two factors, that is input. In previous lecture, we have completed the effect of input on steady state error. Now we have started second factor, that is effect of open loop transfer. In that, we have completed first topic, that is steady state error and constant for type 0 system for step, ramp and parabolic input. Now today we are going to start the second, that is ESS and constant for type 1 system, subjecting to type 1 system. We have seen what is the definition of type 2, step, ramp and parabolic. So let's take first input to type 1 system is step input. Step input to type 1 system. So we have already seen what is the equation of ESS for step input. It is nothing but ESS is equal to A upon 1 plus Kp, and this Kp value is nothing but Kp is equal to limit S tends to 0 G of S into H of S. But we know for type 1 system, the value of G of S into H of S is, but for type 1 system, G of S into H of S is, what is G of S into H of S is equal to limit, it is K into 1 plus TZ1S 1 plus TZ2S up to dash, and here as it is type 1 system, here S raised to 1 will come. So S raised to 1 means only S. For type 0 we have written here S raised to 0, which is nothing but 1. So for type 1 system, here S will come and 1 plus TP1S 1 plus TP2S plus dash. So simply put this value in Kp. Therefore Kp is equal to limit S tends to 0. What is the value of G of S into H of S? That is K 1 plus TZ1S 1 plus TZ2S plus dash dash upon S plus S into 1 plus TP1S 1 plus TP2S plus dash dash. So here apply the limit. So applying limit is nothing but the putting the value of S. So after putting value of S, this will become K, and here if we put the value of S, it will become 0. That is 0 into multiplied with this will become 0, and anything upon 0, if 0 come to the denominator, its value will become infinity. So Kp is nothing but infinity, because S is in the denominator and S value is 0. So for type 1 system, for step input, Kp is equal to infinity. We have seen for type 0 system, Kp is nothing but the K for type 0 system. Now for type 1 system, Kp value is infinity, and simply put that Kp value in ESS equation, we get the ESS equation for type 1 system. So ESS is equal to A 1 upon 1 plus Kp is nothing but the infinity. So 1 plus infinity, anything will be, if we add 1 plus to the infinity, it will be the infinity. Therefore ESS is equal to A upon infinity, and if infinity comes at the bottom, its value become 0. So ESS is 0 for step input for type 1 system. In type 0 system, ESS was a upon 1 plus k. For type 1 system, ESS is 0. Now let's check next input, that is ramp input. Next is ramp input. So it is very easy to calculate. At last you have to simply remember ESS value and constant value for various types. At last we will make the summary, then you will get clear idea, because you will not ask in example the derivation. You have the problem on that topic, so you must know what is the value of ESS for type 0, type 1 and type 2 system. So let's see second expression, that is ramp input to type 1 system. So we know here what is the value of ESS for RAM input. It is nothing but A upon KV, and KV is nothing but limit S tends to 0 S into G of S into H of S. But for type 1 system, what is the value of G of S into H of S? G of S into H of S is nothing but K 1 plus TZ1S 1 plus TZ2S plus dash dash upon S. Because it is type 1 system, so S raised to 1 will come here, which is nothing but simply S 1 plus TP1S 1 plus TP2S plus dash dash. Simply put this value in KV. Therefore, KV is equal to limit S tends to 0, S as it is, and G of S into H of S is nothing but K into 1 plus TZ1S 1 plus TZ2S plus dash dash upon S 1 plus TP1S 1 plus TP2S dash dash. So here at numerator and denominator both S is present, so it get cancelled. So after applying limit means put the value of S, then it will become K into 1 plus 0 upon 1 plus 0 1 plus 0. So which is nothing but the K. That means KV is equal to K for RAM input. For type 1 system, KV value is nothing but the K. But we in previous lecture, yesterday, we have seen for type 0 system, KV value is 0. For type 1 system, KV value is K. So simply put that value in ESS equation, we get the ESS value for type 1 system. So therefore ESS is equal to A upon KV is nothing but the K. Means ESS value for type 1 system is A upon K. For type 0 system it was infinity. Now next is parabolic input. Third input for type 1 system is parabolic input. Parabolic input to type 1 system. So what is the value of ESS for parabolic input? It is E of SS is equal to A upon KA, and KA is nothing but the limit S tends to 0 S square G of S into H of S. So for type 1 system we know that for type 1 system G of S into H of S is equal to K 1 plus TZ1S 1 plus TZ2S 1 plus TZ3S plus dash dash upon S. S raised to 1 plus TP1S 1 plus TP2S plus dash dash. Simply put this value in Ka equation. Therefore K is equal to limit s tends to 0, s square, g of s into h of s is nothing but k into 1 plus tz1s 1 plus tz2s plus dash dash upon s 1 plus tp1s 1 plus tp2s plus dash. Here 2s are there, here 1 is there, s is there, so 1 s get cancels, so here s will remain. So after applying limit means put the value of s, so after putting value of s it will become k is equal to, here as there is s is present, so after putting s value it will become 0 into k 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 upon 1 plus 0 1 plus 0. Therefore as here multiplication factor is 0, all get 0, therefore k will become 0, means for parabolic input k is 0. In yesterday's lecture we have seen that is for type 0 system k value was 0. So for parabolic input for type 0 and type 1 system both value are same, that is k is 0 in both type. So simply put k value in ESS, therefore ESS is equal to a upon ka, so k is equal to 0, so as 0 comes to denominator it will become infinity. So E of S's value is infinity for type 1 system for parabolic input. Now in next lecture we will see, that is our third type, that is type 3, the various error constant and steady state error equation for type 3 input. So and at last we will make the summary, that is effect of type 0, type 1, type 2 system on step input, RAM input and parabolic input on steady state error, that is E of SS and its constant, that is 3 constant kV, kP and Ka. Thank you.